Epic fail. Epic fail again. And soon as that you may know, this computer is not working again. See, here's what happened. Let me open it up. See, watch this. Here we go again. I mean, what's up with this computer, man? Because something happened to the freaking screen, it's all glitching and it's all freaking like it dead. This computer is dead. What freaking again? What the heck is wrong with that? Man, I know, right? Something ain't right about this. What is up with this freaking screen? Dude, I had the worst situation of my entire freaking life about this freaking screen. Man, it started to make me freaking mad. See, cannot even press or anything about this button. Now this made me so freaking mad, dude. I'm not doing this again anymore. You know what? Freak that, man, cause I get tired of it, man. Every time I hold the power button, but it won't even working anymore. So this is bull crap. This is do that. Man, you know what? Forget this. And this laptop's still working perfectly good shape. But now we gotta get the new one of a Dell Inspiron 1721. And as soon as that we get that, and it's gonna be working smooth because it's better than this one. Because something ain't right about this freaking screen. Because it's been there like it all the freaking 18 years ago. And my sword's dropped. Like I was saying it's been there like 18 years ago. But now it's not really working. And by the time when I fixed it, it always and that's why this stupid hard drive. Look, man, as soon as that we get that, we are not gonna be able to use this anymore. I know, right? Because this is totally not worth it. But don't worry, we get another one, Esper 1721. And this we can still use this though. Yeah, we can still use the laptop. As soon as that we get another new laptop like this, we're gonna get to put the 2 hard drive under there and start Windows Vista, and then it will be good to go. And put in a new password, but I can't show it to you or me either. You know what? I'm gonna turn it off and turn it back on. Can I hear the fan? He's dead. Yep, that's all the epic fail. But wait a minute. I can still hear the fan. These nights come on, and these nights coming on, but this screen is not. Oh my God, it's not worth it anymore. As soon as that gone. And see you later, guys. Yeah, see ya. Bye.